How to contact Hair Arabia support. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can contact Hair Arabia support. To do so, open up your application just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, move to the top right corner where you can see three horizontal lines. Then once you click on that, some option you'll be taken to a page where you'd see options like your name, you would see your number of air rewards points, you see boarding pass, flight status, settings, and then just below settings you'll see two options: contact us and then email us. These are the two customer support available on Air Arabia. So if you want to contact the support, you can just click on the contact us icon and then you'll be taken to the next page where you see different ways of contacting the support, and then you can decide to call by making use of the call centers. You can visit the office physically by clicking on office locations to know where they are. You can decide to send an email or you can even chat online. So for calls, just click on call centers. Then you'd have to select your country and your city, and then telephone numbers for your country would be displayed to you. For office locations, click on office locations, and then you'll be asked to enter in your country as well. And then the office locations close to your region would also be displayed. Then for email, you can just click on email us and you'll be taken to the next page. All right. On this page, you can see two tabs: request slash inquiry and then complaint. So you have to select the category you fall under. Do you want a request or do you want to make a complaint? If it's a request, if it's as request, then go ahead and select your title. Are you a Mr.? Are you a Miss? Are you a doctor? Are you a prof? Select it, then enter in your first name, your last name, phone number, reservation number, and then click on submit. And then within hours, a response will be sent to you to the email that you have used to register your account. And then if you want to chat, you can just click on the chat option, and then you'll be taken to the chat page where you can chat with a customer support agent online. So these are the various ways you can contact the customer support on your application. All right, thank you for watching and ensure you make that complaint or that request today.